Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace fuel purge valve, the canister purge valve on Dodge Journey or Fiat Fremont. Even if you have one of the two vehicles guys, it's the same vehicle under two different names, we'll show you how to remove and replace the purge valve now. So let me show you guys what we did now. Okay, right here we have the intake hose removed. Okay, doesn't matter which engine you have, 4, 6 cylinder, the procedure will be the same. You will need to just remove your intake hose. Okay, and it has only 2 clamps, that you need to get loose, and you can go ahead and remove the hose. Once you remove your hose guys, this down there, this is your purge valve. Okay, you can see that round thing is your purge valve. So let us show you now how you disconnect that thing. It's a little bit of a complicated thing. Now there is one tooth right here, and once I remove it I'll be able to show you a little bit better. You will need to press it in, press in going this way and pull the purge valve out like that. Now what we can do here now guys, let me show you now. Let me push it in a little bit. Now we can go ahead and disconnect it from right here. By pressing on these two things. You need to press in. I need to grab it with 2 fingers, so sorry for the limited view. And now we can pull it out. One more thing that we need to disconnect guys. That hose right here, you can see this hose needs to come out. So let's see which one will be the easier way. We can try to disconnect it through that hose, that's the same hose, and pull the pipe out, or we can disconnect it from the bottom. We'll see which one is a little bit easier in our certain situation. So I'll really try to pull it out from here, but if it doesn't happen we'll pull it from top. Now right here we need to disconnect that connector. And how we do that, that red thing, we need to go ahead and pull it out, like that. You can see this thing needs to go out. Then you need to press in here, and disconnect the wire. Give me just a second because it's very limited room and I cannot access with 2 hands at the same time. Almost there. So eventually, you can see it came out. This is your connector here. Now, what I'll do, right here, we're going to disconnect the hose, from the top, so that way I don't break the hose. I'm trying to disconnect it down there, and we just remove guys, that's the purge valve out of the way. You can see it just like that. Now you can check out the description of the video where we get our replacement parts from. You can find it there for a really good price. When you're ready to disconnect it, right here, these 2 things, squish them in, and you pull the thing out, but it's a little bit stuck in our case here. You can see it has a little bit of mud there as well. So just need to clean it here a little bit because it has quite a bit of mud. I don't know how it got there, but sometimes it happens. It's coming out now, and it got stuck on one of them. Just like that, you can see, and you need to make sure that you install your piece as well. So that's how you guys remove it. All you have to do, disconnect that hose. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.